If you're new to smart homes and wondering which gadgets are actually worth buying in this year, this video is for you. Today, I'll show you 15 beginner-friendly smart home devices that can automate everyday tasks, save time, improve convenience, and make your home feel much smarter without requiring advanced technical knowledge. And if you haven't watched my previous video, How to Start a Smart Home, link in description, make sure to watch it after this video. It explains the smart home basics, ecosystems, and setup process step by step. Now let's get started. Number 1. Amazon Echo Dot. Every smart home needs a brain, and for most beginners, that's the Amazon Echo Dot. This smart speaker lets you control compatible devices using simple voice commands. You can turn lights on and off, check the weather, set reminders, create routines, play music, control smart plugs, and much more. Instead of opening multiple apps, you can simply say, "Alexa, turn off the bedroom lights." If you're building your first smart home, this is one of the best places to start. If you want to check prices, read reviews, or see the exact products featured in this video, you'll find links to everything in the description below. Number 2. Kasa Smart Plug Mini. A smart plug instantly upgrades ordinary devices into smart devices. Just plug it into an outlet, connect it to Wi-Fi, and then plug in your lamp, fan, coffee maker, or other appliance. Now you can control that device remotely through your phone or with voice commands. You can also create schedules. For example, your lamp can automatically turn on at sunset and turn off before bedtime. It's one of the easiest and most affordable smart home upgrades. Number 3. Philips Hue Smart Bulbs. Smart lighting is usually the first automation people fall in love with. Philips Hue bulbs allow you to control brightness, colors, and schedules from your phone. You can create movie mode, gaming mode, reading mode, or bedtime lighting scenes in seconds. You can even automate lights to turn on when you arrive home and turn off when you leave. The flexibility and customization make smart bulbs one of the most enjoyable smart home upgrades. Number 4. Blink Video Doorbell. A video doorbell helps you monitor your front door from anywhere. Whether you're at work, traveling, or simply relaxing in another room, you'll know who's at the door. The Blink Video Doorbell offers HD video, motion alerts, and two-way communication. You can see visitors, delivery drivers, or unexpected activity right from your smartphone. For security and peace of mind, it's a valuable addition to any smart home. Number 5. TEEHO Smart Lock. Imagine never worrying about lost keys again. A smart lock allows you to unlock your door using a keypad instead of traditional keys. The TEEHO Smart Lock includes auto-lock features, which means your door can lock itself automatically after a certain amount of time. This is especially useful for busy families, renters, or anyone who occasionally forgets to lock the door. Convenience and security in one device. Number 6. Google Nest Learning Thermostat. Heating and cooling can account for a significant portion of household energy costs. The Google Nest Learning Thermostat helps automate temperature control based on your habits. Over time, it learns your schedule and automatically adjusts settings for comfort and efficiency. Instead of constantly changing temperatures manually, the thermostat does the work for you. It's one of the smartest investments for comfort and energy savings. Number 7. Eufy Robot Vacuum 1S Max. Cleaning is one of the most popular tasks people automate. The Eufy Robot Vacuum quietly cleans floors while you focus on more important things. It works on hard floors and carpets, automatically navigates rooms, and returns to recharge when needed. You can schedule cleaning sessions so your floors stay clean without daily effort. For busy households, this can save hours every month. Number 8. Philips Hue Motion Sensor. Motion sensors unlock powerful automations. For example, when you walk into a room, the lights can automatically turn on. When no motion is detected, the lights can turn off to save energy. This creates a seamless experience where your home responds to your presence automatically. Once you start using motion-based automation, it's difficult to go back. Number 9. Aqara Door and Window Sensor. These small sensors can detect whether doors or windows are open or closed. That may sound simple, but the automation possibilities are huge. You can receive alerts when doors open, trigger lights automatically, or create security routines. For example, if a door opens after midnight, your hallway lights could automatically activate. It's a small device that adds significant awareness to your smart home. Number 10. Govee Smart Light Strip. If you want to make your home look modern and exciting, smart light strips are a great option. Place them behind TVs, desks, shelves, beds, or entertainment centers. The Govee RGBIC light strip supports multiple colors simultaneously, creating impressive visual effects. You can control everything through your phone, voice assistants, or custom schedules. Perfect for gaming rooms, movie nights, and modern home setups. Number 11. Kasa Smart Power Strip. Many people have multiple devices plugged into a single area. A smart power strip allows you to control several outlets individually. You can automate computers, monitors, chargers, lamps, and other electronics separately. Instead of unplugging devices manually, you can manage everything from your smartphone. This is especially useful for home offices and entertainment setups. Number 12. SwitchBot CO2 and Humidity Monitor. A smart home isn't only about convenience. It's also about understanding your indoor environment. This device tracks carbon dioxide levels, temperature, and humidity in real time. Poor air quality can affect comfort, focus, and sleep quality. Monitoring these conditions helps you make better decisions about ventilation and indoor comfort. It's a useful upgrade that many beginners overlook. Number 13. Universal Smart TV Remote. If you're tired of searching for TV remotes, this simple solution can help. A universal remote works with many TV brands and reduces clutter. Instead of keeping multiple remotes around the house, you can control everything from one device. It's not the most advanced gadget on this list, but it definitely improves convenience. Number 14. SwitchBot Blind Tilt. Smart blinds are one of the most underrated smart home upgrades. With automated blinds, natural light can enter your home automatically every morning. Number 15. Etekcity Smart Scale. Finally, let's talk about personal health automation. The Etekcity Smart Scale does more than measure weight. So those are 15 beginner-friendly smart home gadgets that can help automate your life. You don't need to buy everything at once. Most people start with a smart speaker, smart plugs, and smart lighting, then gradually expand their setup over time. If you're just getting started, I highly recommend watching my previous video, How to Start a Smart Home in 2026. It will help you understand exactly how all these devices work together. Also, if you want to check prices, read reviews, or see the exact products featured in this video, you'll find links to everything in the description below. Using those links helps support the channel at no extra cost to you, and it allows me to keep creating more smart home guides and product reviews. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which smart home gadget you want to add first. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.